today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of something really special. It is the Rachel Leary Goddess Glow. I bought this on launch day and it's only just come because I had 2 to 3 day shipping. So let's open it. I actually have opened this downstairs, but I just thought maybe you would like to see it as well. So I packaged it all together. So this is the box. It's so beautiful. Look at that box. It's just so beautiful. I love the gold shimmer on there. It comes with Rain Shimmer Oil, Loose Body Shimmer, Golden Hour Highlighter, Shimmer Bomb Lip Gloss, Glow. And this box you can actually buy on Revolution Beauty. That's the only place where you can buy it. And I think that's the only place we can buy all the products. I think you can buy it on Beauty Bay or something like that. But on Revolution Beauty you can just only buy the box. So if you want the box, buy the box because it comes with everything and it's only about £27–28. So it is actually cheaper than getting it separately. So that's a good thing. So you get a deal if you want to get the box. So it did come with packaging, but I've removed the packaging. This is what I'm excited for. I'm excited for this. Is the, as you can see, I've already opened it. This is the Rachel Leary Goddess Shimmer Face and Body Shimmer Oil. Can you see that? Like, it is beautiful. And then we're just going to open it. I love that it's pink and I love it that it's pink and gold. This is it. I have tried it. I have sprayed it. It comes off on your arm with a nice shimmery oil. It's not too oily and it's not too sticky and it's just perfect, and it dries down and it smells gorgeous. So you have this glittery glow about it. That is the actual, oh my god. I mean, look at that. Face and shimmer oil. You just shake it to basically mix the product. Then we have the Shimmer Glow Rachel Leary, the Shimmery Puff. Look at that. It's just so gorgeous. I've already done the puff. The puff comes in plastic, but this is the puff. Oh my god, it's so good. Haven't even opened it yet. I'm going to open it once. I will do a first impression on all these products, but this is it. And it's got an R. It could be for like Revolution or for Rachel. Like, it's so cool. So that's that. I love how big it is. But when she says, when you do remove the plastic, just go like that. One tap, one like that, and that's it. That's all you can do. Next we have the Shimmer Bomb Lip Gloss with vitamin E. This is kind of a sticky formula, but it's not too bad. But I have tested it on my lips, but it smells gorgeous. And this is like a lip gloss topper. So if you have a nude on, put this on it and it'll just shine. You can put it on your normal lips and it just be like your lips are very sparkly and gold and shimmery. So good. But this smells nice. I'm glad I got this. The main resistance is the Golden Hour Splendid Highlighter Glow. Now this is the same as her, sorry, I didn't even show you the lip gloss. This is the lip gloss. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I just love it. This is Rachel Leary, but this is the gorgeous one. It is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. We've got to open this baby up because it's incredible. Now, if you love her palette, I didn't hit pan on my thing yet, but I was getting close to hitting pan because I don't wear makeup every day. But this is, you can see the ridges of mine. You can see the ridges. So I was so close to hitting pan on my shimmery bronzer, so close. But I still use that when I go on holiday. But I use this as well. Now this is the packaging. I love the packaging. Let me just. It does have fingerprints on it. This is the packaging. Oh my god, can you see that? I just love it. And then you open it up and oh my god, look at that. It has a mirror. I love how big the mirror is because the mirror is so big, and I love how big the packaging is because you can actually just do that and just thing your face. You could do your whole face in this mirror. It's so big, and you could use it for the other side, but it's really nice. It's so big. I love it. But oh my god, look at that same formula as the other one. Oh my goodness. And this is so gorgeous. I love the big packaging. I love it all. But that is my unboxing of the Rachel Leary Golden Goddess full collection. Get the full collection. It is online on Revolution. But yeah, I absolutely love this. This is so good. I'm like ecstatic to have this because I'm like, oh, I want it. And I love Rachel Leary and I love her products as well. Her products are insane and I love everything about it. So I'm like, I just had to have it, and I'm going to keep the box as well because I can just put it onto my side and you know what, just have it there and just love it. But it is so gorgeous. But yeah, I love all the products. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 product. It's the whole collection. It's so cute and I love it. It's just beautiful. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please give me a like down below. Please comment if you're going to get this, or comment anything you like. Hope you do have a good day. Please subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.